Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I incorporate aloe vera juice into my protein treatment for my hair. Now I am taking my egg yolk, I'm using 3 yolks and adding this to my aloe vera juice. If you notice, I'm only using yolk. I have separated it from the egg white. Now you guys, this treatment has helped my hair so much because my hair is bleached and it is damaged, it's brittle, it is dry. This treatment has helped my hair to gain strength. Now what I'm doing now is I'm just adding my extra virgin olive oil into the treatment, and I'm also adding my flaxseed oil into the treatment. I've currently really been enjoying using flaxseed oil into my hair regimen. So after mixing all this together, what I'm doing now, it is applying this to my hair. Now as you can see, this treatment is quite watery, so sometimes I struggle to just apply this treatment using my hands. So what I ended up doing was put this in the bottle and then applying using a bottle with a nozzle. This is much easier. Now this treatment, you guys, if you don't know, the egg, it is very high in protein and it's a very good protein treatment for your hair. My hair is color treated, it is bleached, so it needs a lot of protein treatments to regain its strength. So I do this treatment only once a month. If your hair is not color treated, you shouldn't do a protein treatment monthly, at least once in 3 months. That's much better because you don't want your hair to have a protein overload. So what I'm doing right now is just massaging the treatment onto my hair. Make sure that my hair is well saturated with the treatment, and I'm going to take my plastic shower cap and then just cover my hair, and then I'm going to take also another hooded shower cap and then just cover my hair as well. Now I will leave this treatment onto my hair for about 45 minutes and then I'll go on wash and condition my hair. Now as you can see, look at the new growth. This is the new growth that I've had recently. So that is how I do my protein treatment using aloe vera juice. Thank you for watching.